The Book of Nature. Nikos Lygeros. Some people, only a few in fact, believe that the Book of Nature exists. But there are fewer who know how to write its text. Indeed, it was a strange idea for many of them to consider that it's possible to create something new with the past. In fact, strange things have no duration in time. After the innovation, strangeness is transformed to reality. Without any fear, he created pieces of memory of the future. Like mathematical formulae, this code was able to stay stable. Only pieces of perfection had this property. It wasn't a process to put the end to an evolution. Perfection was also evolution. It was the same problem with paradise. For many people, it was only the end. A new life certainly, but without evolution. That's why most of them couldn't believe that there can be another step. Or to put it in another way, that continuity was still there. But a polycyclic concept was possible. Stability wasn't immobility. Perfection wasn't the end. And mankind was able to write new chapters in the Book of Nature. When he thought about the sentence, "never again," he saw the problem. Because in nature, things were different. And polycyclicity meant, again forever, but always with something quite different. So the point was the following. Can we change the future with the memory of the past? Certainly not. But with the memory of the future, it was possible. Mental shock, bifurcation. The Book of Nature had changed. New pages were ready.